We are leaving the boat to go to St. Martin. We're going to have the birthday lunch celebration at a restaurant or someplace right in town. So let's get started. Right. Our first stop in town was at the Little York Jewelry Store. The birthday girl Kim is good friends with the owner, and he greeted us with a nice spread of pastries and champagne.
How you doing?
So that's a little camera video? Okay.
Then we explored the town and went into some other shops before heading to the birthday lunch, which was hosted by the birthday ladies.
Yeah, and you are the time of my life. Amaru, yeah. You brought the days to my nights. Eh, I did everything I said, but I did it all my way. Oh wow, told you when you came my way, can nobody take your place. Oh wow, you know like the game them play, give it to you straight all day. Oh wow, body do the talking, babe. Baby if you make man praise. Oh wow, yeah. Today owana odo ejinye la lo me. Ame bude quick be my hote pay oh. Yeah. You bring the energy that I need to charge my yeah. You bring the energy that I need to charge my life. And if it do you no wrong, baby. Yeah. And you are the time of my life.
I talk to the wives. You talking to the wrong wives. You talking to the husbands. They run it. You gotta talk to the wives. Get your ass back. Yeah. No, negotiate with them. And then whatever they say, we'll go.
Say we'll go. Whatever they say, then we'll go.
But you know what? I noticed when we come to these kind of places, they immediately go to the men. They always go to the brothers.
We are here at Boardwalk Beach in St. Martin. We just got done having lunch, and now we are just chilling at the beach. It's hot out here. It's like 80-some degrees. And it says that it feels like it's 102. So it's a nice little vibe out here. I know, right? There is my beautiful niece, Cookie. There's our ship over there, waiting for our return. The water is, oh my gosh, it's so warm. Look at those beautiful mountains. Okay, we have arrived back at the ship after a beautiful day in St. Martin. We started off going to this store called Little Europe to celebrate our sister-in-law's birthday and her girlfriend's birthday. And then we had lunch at this place called Greenhouse, which was, the food was amazing. So now we are heading back to our ship. Look at how humongous this is. I was hoping that there would be another. That's my sister. I was hoping that there would be another cruise ship right next to ours, so we could really see how much larger this ship is from the other ones. But yeah, it's an awesome ship. And St. Martin is just absolutely beautiful. Love these mountains. I have to come back and spend a few days here for sure. To have dinner at Izumi, the Japanese Hibachi restaurant, specialty restaurant, I should say. So this is not included. We had to pay.
Yeah!
Izumi Hibachi was very delicious. It's definitely one of the specialty restaurants that I can recommend. After dinner, we headed to Lou's for some jazz, and it was a packed house because the band was doing Earth, Wind & Fire covers. We arrived too late to get a seat, so we ended up sitting at a table outside, which was just as nice. So that was the end of a perfect day 4, which began in St. Maarten, and with dinner at Izumi, and then ended with an awesome jazz performance at Lou's.